in the villages, as we see, normally they go out for toilet twice, morning and evening. Okay, whereas in a city, people may be using it even 4 times. The richer the society, the more the water consumption in general. Okay, and goes anywhere between 30 to 100 liters per flush. So imagine how much water are we wasting every day. I don't think per person, even if you use even a liter of water, because it is not, because we use health faucet, that is just to, it's a sprinkle the water so that the urine goes out, trace of urine goes out, and nothing beyond. If you use the toilet paper, then you are not using water. If you are using water to wash, entire process may be 1 liter a day. See, normally toilet में पब्लिक पीपल यूज़ करने के बाद पानी फ्लश करते हैं. वो पानी इट कुड बी एनीवेयर बिटवीन 10 लीटर से लेके 100 लीटर तक भी एक फ्लश में जाता है. एंड जितना आदमी लोग रिच होते जा रहे हैं उतना नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स टॉयलेट का यूज़ होता है. तो आप सोचिए कि दिन में कितना लोग कितना बार टॉयलेट यूज़ करके कितना पानी जा रही है. तो ये पानी जैसा water resources as they're dwindling, we have to find some ways and means. And I still remember in 2001 and 2003 when we had gone to Everest Base Camp, people in the hills, they use bio toilets where the poop goes into a hole or a ditch down below. And after using the toilet, you have to put some wood shavings or whatever that's available, organic matter. So basically it's a mix of, it will become a mix of nitrogen and carbon, and that starts degrading. So it's used for 6 months, and after 6 months you switch to another toilet, okay, spare toilet. And so in this full 6 months, another 6 months time of rest, the whole thing becomes a manure. After it becomes a manure, you can even smell it. It doesn't have any, it doesn't have any foul smell or anything. Okay, and that particular manure, people in the hills use it directly for farming. Okay, all the potatoes and other vegetables that they produce in hills are produced from human waste. Okay, and whereas we do have a taboo in in our areas. So here we are using exactly a similar concept or similar thing of what we had seen it in the Himalayas and way back 20 odd years ago. Here we have toilets where there is a provision for urine to go. Where the urine goes, we use health faucet to give very small water to to flush it out. Whereas in the poop, which goes on the center, it's we put only wood shavings. Okay, and for wash water, you have an option. If you are using a toilet, you can use the toilet paper, or which is again not degradable. Otherwise, if you are using an Indian style of toilet, then you can go a little behind and wash, and that water, will again. Because we live in the jungle area, so we let the water straight go to the jungle trees, the entire black water. So that that whatever the nutrients that those jungle trees can take, they take it. So, and whereas the poop in 6 months time becomes something which you can you can smell. It is odorless or gets the odor of the wood, okay, because it's from wood shavings. So that can be used anywhere.
तो ये सर बायोडिग्रेडेबल जो टॉयलेट्स है, ये बनता कैसे, इसकी टेक्निक क्या है?
इसके लिए हमने स्पेशली सीड्स मंगाया बैंगलोर से, इको सैंड टॉयलेट्स. So that is the basis, and our architects Garbit and Abhishek have built these toilets.
तो इसका जो गड्ढा होता है उसका साइज क्या रहता है?
Gadda ka size is approximately, because you are putting two toilets, it becomes little longer. So you can say that it's approximately 4 feet, 3.5 feet deep, and it is the width could be maybe 7 or 8 feet, at least 8 feet.
तो इसका दो गड्ढों में एक्सचेंज करके
Yeah, 6 months each.
तो 6 मंथ बाद जो इसका जो फर्टिलाइजर निकलता है वो यूज कर सकते हैं फार्मिंग में?
6 months के बाद we leave it for 6 months. 6 months का usage के बाद we leave it for 6 months for settling. And after that, so virtually, after starting the cycle, it takes 1 year for us to harvest it. So harvested one can be used anywhere.
ये जो बायोडिग्रेडेबल टॉयलेट है इसको बनाना जो फ्लश वाले टॉयलेट है उससे सस्ता है या महंगा है?
फ्लश वाला टॉयलेट में भी आपको ये डालना पड़ेगा, राइट? एंड बेसिकली इट इज मोर ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंस. आई डोंट सी इट एज लेस कैपिटल एक्सपेंसिव इफ यू गो फॉर दिस. Okay, because there you are using a material which is easily available. The ceramic wala everywhere it's available. Whether you go for an Indian toilet or a Western toilet, you can get it anywhere. But whereas this, you need to look for specific vendors. So that way, I don't see any difference in the cost.
और इसका
But there is the biggest advantage is environmental, because we are not wasting any water. Imagine a household where anybody uses the toilet. See, in the villages, as we see, normally, typically they use it, they go out for toilet twice, morning and evening. Okay, whereas in a city, people may be using it even 4 times. Okay, 4 times, and every time, and as I said, the richer the society, the more the water consumption in general. Okay, and as I said, it goes anywhere between 30 to 100 liters per flush. So imagine how much water are we wasting every day. Because right now in a multi-storied buildings, we still do not have, the option of, using this kind of toilets. We really need to invent and find out how exactly we can reduce the water consumption, or we could eliminate the water usage as much as possible in the buildings, and harvest the poop. Because poop from any animal, see, look at, we can look at India as a country with highest number of human beings, or you can look at India has highest number of bioreactors. If you look at our bioreactors, India has 13, India although has just 2.8% of the world's land mass, 3.5% of water resources, India is the nation with 13% goats, 18% human beings. Okay, and we have 21% cows and 53% water buffaloes. And our cows are as much as 30 crores to 31 crores in India. So all of them are either many of them are roaming in the streets, or they're roaming in the forest and eating. So if you can really harvest their poop and urine properly, then we can make India as lot more richer agriculturally. So which I think as a country we need to focus on, because we have the highest number of bioreactors in the world, which no country has.
का बायो जो टॉयलेट है तो कितना लीटर पानी सफिशिएंट होता है इन अ डे?
I don't think per person, even if you use even a liter of water, because it is not, because we use health faucet. That is just it's a sprinkle the water so that the urine goes out. Trace of urine goes out, and nothing beyond. If you use the toilet paper, then you are not using water. If you are using water to wash, then maybe, entire process, maybe 1 liter a day per person.
It's much lesser than
It is nothing compared to
flush toilet.
any flush toilet. पूप या तिट्टी अपने आप में ज़मीन में चला जाती है, उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन जब हम पानी के साथ मिक्स करते हैं सबसे बड़ा तकलीफ शुरू होता है उसी के साथ। उसके साथ बदबू शुरू होती है और उसको डिग्रेडेशन के लिए बहुत देर लगती है। तो हमको ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि पूप और तिट्टी और पानी को मिक्स करने के बिना शहरों में हम टॉयलेट का डिज़ाइन कैसा कर सकते हैं। ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। और लेकिन जब ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में कोई है उनके लिए ये कुछ बड़ा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। कोई भी बंगलो है, कोई सिंगल घर है, तो हम जो किए हैं, जो हम अभी दिखाने जा रहे हैं, तो वैसा टॉयलेट बना सकते हैं जिधर से पूप के अंदर हम पानी नहीं डालने देते हैं। तो जिसके वजह से वो कुछ ही देर में कुछ महीनों में वो पूरा फर्टिलाइज़र बन जाता है जिसको स्मेल भी नहीं रहती है।
This is a new type of toilet here, and we are having one biodegradable, like we have to put
Open.
here,
Okay.
and this will convert into
Compost.
best quality compost, and that is natural compost. जो हमारे पुराने समय में ऐसा होता था कि लोग लोटा लेके जंगल को जाते थे और वहाँ पे खुले आसमान के नीचे वो करते थे। उससे धीरे धीरे उस धरती को ताकत मिलती थी, क्योंकि वही उनका टॉनिक था। अब ये इन्होंने यहाँ पे नए स्टाइल में चालू किया है। तो ये टॉयलेट है, एंड ये दिस इज फॉर पीइंग। वो वहाँ से जाएगा एंड इट विल प्रोड्यूस वेरी नेचुरल यूरिया। बिकॉज यदि हमारे देश में 140 करोड़ लोग हैं और सारे लोगों का यदि पी इकट्ठा किया जाए तो हमारे देश को बिल्कुल किसी भी तरीके की यूरिया न लेने की जरूरत है और न डालने की जरूरत है, जो कि जंगलों के लिए, खेतों के लिए और इंसान के लिए, सबके लिए नुकसानदायक है। वो जमीन मर जाती है जहाँ पे आर्टिफिशियल यूरिया जो आज की तारीख में जो चल रहा है वो डाले जाता है। तो और लेकिन ये यूरिया यदि यूज किया जाएगा तो जमीन जिंदा होगी फिर से, है ना। वहाँ पे रहने वाले इंसेक्ट्स को बेनिफिट मिलेगा। और ये रियली हमने पहली बार अपने लाइफ में देखा है कि इस तरीके के भी डेवलपमेंट किए जा सकते हैं।
एज ए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रकृति प्रेरणा फाउंडेशन, आप लोगों को सजेस्ट करेंगे इसको बनाना?
Absolutely. Where any person is using has a bungalow or any structure where it can be supported, they should use it. Even we urge the scientific community to find ways of using eco-friendly toilets even in buildings. It is going to have direct implication on the plumbing and a lot of other things. But unless we start finding out how to do it, from now on, we cannot find a solution.